I know you've been using Instagram Reels, but I'm going to show you some amazing features you probably might not have come across on that same Instagram Reels. Yes, I'm going to teach you how to add voiceovers. I'm going to teach you how to get visible on Reels, on Instagram using Reels. I'm going to teach you how to add text on Reels. So you need to do. I'm going to show you how to effectively edit videos on Reels. I mean, to make them captivating, interesting. Oh, you want to be a fashion stylist, you want to do Instagram Reels for your business. I mean, you cook, whatever you do. I'm going to show you how to make captivating videos with just Instagram Reels. Yes, with just Instagram Reels. You can make captivating videos for your business. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Chisom Belinda, and I'll be very grateful if you hit the subscribe button, turn on the little bell notification icon beside it, the red subscribe button, and then, of course, tell me where you're watching me from. It excites me to know that you're watching and you enjoy my video. And of course, I'm sure you're going to be interested in this video. I'm sure this video is going to be very interesting to you. So you just hit the like button, or probably at the end of the video, I'm sure you have a question for me or two. And of course, I reply all my comments. So let's get right into this video. Okay guys, I said I was going to show you how to use Instagram Reels. There's some features you might not know exist on Instagram Reels. I'm going to be showing you all of the features on Instagram Reels, and of course I promise to also tell you how you could easily get visible on Instagram Reels. Using Instagram Reels, get your business or probably your personal profile. All you have to do is use music, I mean a song that's actually trending at that time. And of course, if you're social, you should know what's trending. If you're social, you should know what's trending. So here you go. I'll go to plus, I'll go to Reels, and then if you want to know songs that are actually trending at the time, all you have to do is go to audio. When you get to audio, you would actually see this. The songs you can see top here are actually what's trending. So recently I noticed this It's Emmy TikTok has been trending, and so what you could just do is just make a video. Okay, I'm not actually well kept right now for TikTok videos, but of course from here you could create your video directly, pick the music, and of course ensure that you pick the exact part of the music you want to use for your video. So you can just move it to the exact part you want. You can move it. You can move it. You can go to music. You can click on search music and search for any song of your choice. Okay, these are the ones I recently searched. Let's go cancel. Let's go use this one. So like I said, if you want to actually get your video viral, your content viral, pick songs that are trending, and if you're social, you should know what's trending, and you create your video right from the music here. So of course, you know, good lighting, set your phone very well. I'm actually well kept, as you can see right now on this video. So you click, so you just vibe, do your thing. This is me doing my thing. Don't mind me, there's no lighting there. I was just trying to create this content, and I still have what I need to show you, so don't mind what I'm doing there. Of course, you know it's been trending, and if you know the dance steps, of course you could mimic it, but nobody's saying you should mimic the dance steps. You could use it to get creative with your business, whatever it is, cooking, fashion video, whatever business it is you are doing. You just use the video creatively. So I'm going to teach you how to be creative on Reels. Of course, that's the reason I'm here. So I'm going to show you exactly what I wanted to show you, how to use the every of the icons here. So let's go back, plus reel. So most times I like to shoot videos already before I come into the Reels, into Instagram. So if you've already shot your video, all you have to do is come down, select your video, select your video. So let's say, okay, I have several videos here. I like to, sometimes I edit on InShot before I bring it here. But let's say I have this video. Okay, if you look at it, this is an edited video already. So I'm going to be showing you how to add music, how to add text, how to add what did they call it again? how to add music, how to add text, and how to add a voiceover using this video. So add. So we're going to go to audio, of course, just search. Let's use. Then after that's audio, so you could increase the speed of the video. You could increase the speed using this. You could put an effect on your video. These are all effects you could use. Then this is a timer, like it gives you time to be properly set for your video before the music starts playing. That's what the timer helps with. So it just feels like you're trying to record. You set a timer so it starts playing in the next 3 seconds. That's what you use whenever you want to. It's good to use it whenever you want to record all those videos directly from the app when you have those music. Then okay, so we're going to preview. So when you get to preview, you can actually remove the sound of this audio or regulate the sound, which I was talking about, using the sound icon top there. So I'm going to be doing that to avoid copyright claim. I'll remove the sound totally, but that's where you can regulate even the original camera audio. So I have purposely removed the sound because I have to show you what I need to show you, which is, okay, I can increase the camera audio so that in case I have a voice over it already, maybe I was saying something and I want it to be heard. Look here, in case you never knew, you could increase your sound. You can increase the sound on the video. This for the audio I already put in the video, and this is your camera audio. I mean the audio from the video I'm editing. From the video I'm editing, so you can actually regulate it because it's always down, it's always in 0, so you can regulate it if you want the sound to be there. But in case you have no audio and you want an audio, you can come here, click on this icon and record your voice. Yes, I just did a voice recording and I'm sure it's awesome, perfectly awesome. Done. Yes, I just did a voice recording and I'm sure. Yes, I just did a voice recording and I'm sure it's awesome. You can actually hear it, I'm sure. Then after that, of course, these are effects, so you could pick any effect. That's not what I'm trying to do, so I'm done with effects. So stickers, so you can pick a gift from here. Yes, I just did a voice recording and I'm sure it's awesome, perfectly awesome. Welcome. And let's say I want to use this, I move it to wherever I want it to be. Then I'll hold down here, it highlights it all. So I'll say, okay, fine, I just wanted to show from the beginning this recording and I'm sure it's awesome. This is exactly the same way you can add text, get creative on your video, which I'm going to show you how to do. Get all those creative videos where you're actually pointing and talking. I'm going to use another video to show you that now, right now. Yes, I just did a voice recording and I'm sure it's awesome, perfectly awesome. All these parts is not going to be showing, I'm just showing from the beginning alone. Okay, so I'll be using this very video I created. It's creative enough for me to show you how you can have your texts right on Reels on specific places. I can remove this. I can have it there. So I'm going to move it to where I want it to start from. Stop. Can you see what I'm doing? So you just repeat the same method that I have shown you previously until you get the text done in their rightful positions, and this is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, you can see the texts are rightly placed. We've achieved this. So I'm going to show you how to that you can actually change the colors to make it more interesting. So you can change colors of the text background or even the text itself to make it more interesting. Wow, this is so interesting. Sorry, I had to take off the sound to avoid copyright claim, but this is quite interesting. So, this is how to add text and in strategic places, and also give them your favorite colors. And yeah, like you can see, I've added a voice over to it, saying the various text acne. Okay, now I have rashes and then dark tie. Let's preview it. I'm sorry, I just wish you could listen to the audio alongside the text. I mean, it's amazing. It's amazing. Really amazing. So I'm sure you want to try it out. Try it out and let me know what you think. It's amazing. I actually like to save my videos to my camera roll after I'm done editing. That's a habit. It doesn't save with the audio anyways, so sorry. We'll add your audio later. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sure you enjoyed this video. So if you're yet to hit the subscribe button, please do so now. It's going to be exciting to me. I love to see when I get new subscriber to my channel. And please leave me a like on this video and drop a comment telling me how much you love this video, or probably if you have questions for me. I will be glad to, of course, answer those questions and tell you how much I love you too, and loved that you watched my video. See you on my next video. It's still Chisom Belinda. Mwah.